How to cancel LinkedIn premium subscription. So if you want to cancel LinkedIn premium subscription, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser at first, and then you need to open up your LinkedIn. Now make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with the top right, which has Me section. Click on it, and then you will have an option of the premium account and features. So you just need to simply click on premium account and features. In my case, I've not taken a premium subscription on LinkedIn, but if you have your premium subscription, you will have the option of premium account and features. And once you click on it, then you will have the option to manage the subscription on the right side. You just need to simply go with the manage subscription section. And once you go with manage subscriptions, you will have switch plans or cancel subscription or manage your payment methods. So if you want to cancel your LinkedIn premium subscription, then you just need to simply click on cancel subscription, which will be on the second option. Once you click on cancel subscription, then you can just go with continue to cancel and your subscription will be canceled. But if you don't want to cancel and if you want to either switch your plan, then you can also switch your plan on LinkedIn. So that's how you can cancel, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.